Hello guys, what is going on? Techroomuk here. So for today's video we have yet another product from CUKTECH. This is the 30 Ultra charging station. It supports 300 watt of charging to your laptop, plus you have 3 USB Type-Cs and 1 USB Type-A with a display on the side that will show you how much each port is charging with and the amperage and so on. So basically this is the box of it. As you can see, we have some specs: 300 watts charging, 1.83 inch display, charge up to 5 devices in the same time, which is absolutely insane. And right here we have a picture of the product. As you can see, the display is right here. On the right side we have the ports right here, and on the back of the box we have some specs. There's some technical specs. So CUKTECH 30 charging station Ultra, dimensions, output port type. DC is 1, the 300 watts one, you have 1 DC port. Type-C you have 3, USB Type-A you have 1. You have the input 240, 50, 60 Hertz. Single port inputs, and so on. Basically it's just some nerdy stuff that most people want to read. But we also have a 24-month hassle-free warranty, multi-protocol fast charging, and comprehensive safety protection. Some very fancy words. Basically it's just a charger. So instead of having one charge brick, you have this, and you, besides charging your devices faster, you can also charge your laptop in the same time, and it's very convenient for most of the people that have wireless devices. For example, you have some headsets, you have some keyboards, you have your phone, and you have your laptop, so you can charge them all in the same time. It comes with an accessory box. Basically there are different adapters inside that will connect to here, so you can charge different laptops. And yeah, pretty much that's it with the box. Let's go ahead and open it, and I'm gonna show you guys what you get inside. So let's do that right now. Okay, so after opening the box, this is pretty much what we get. As you can see, we have a handful of stuff, so we will go through them one by one. As always, we'll start with the small stuff first. So we have a content manual, we have an instruction manual right here. Tells you everything you need to know about the charger, how to use it, what can you plug into it, and it also has pictures to help you set it up properly and help you understand what stuff means. I suggest you give this a read. It will help you understand how to use it properly and basically how to get the most out of your charging station. They have also included a USB Type-C to USB Type-C fast charging cable. This is used to basically plug into any of these ports right here in the front to charge any other USB Type-C device. We have the power cord, UK mains to 3-pin. This will plug basically right here in the back. It's very straightforward. We have a 300 watt cable, which one end will plug into your device, which is this one, and the other one will plug into the charging station. Right here on the side, as you can see, we have 300 watts charging. Basically this will plug right here, and with this you can charge any laptop. Your laptop might have a different connection. That's why they included the accessory box with a lot of charging heads from different laptop manufacturers and different laptops. Basically they're universal, so chances are pretty high that you will find your adapter that will fit your laptop, because they included a bunch of them. I think they're like 10 or 9. So basically you take this charging adapter, you plug it into this side. Basically you can do it with one hand, plug it here, and then you charge your laptop. It's very straightforward. They included a bunch, so as I said, I'm pretty sure you'll find one that's compatible with your laptop. And right here we have a stand for the charging station. It's a very nice sturdy stand, rubber padded on the bottom so it doesn't slip. It's got a very nice weight to it. and basically you're supposed to put a charging station just like so on it, and basically you'll have a little gap at the bottom. It's not necessary to use it, only if you want to. And now let's have a look at the main charging station, which is this one. As I said, in the back, the 3-pin UK mains that will power the device. On the front we have the display on the right, 3 USB Type-C ports and 1 USB Type-A. On the side says DC out 300 watts maximum, and on the top we have some buttons right here. This one is for mode, this one is for the display to change some stuff, and obviously we have some instructions on the top of the device right here, which will make your life way easier when you set it up. And pretty much that's it with what's inside the box. I'm going to go ahead now, I'm gonna plug it in, and I'm gonna charge a device, probably my phone or something, and I'm gonna show you guys how the display looks like when something is plugged in. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Okay, so the charging station, it's fully set up, very straightforward to use. Basically you plug it into power. As soon as you power it on, it will make you choose between Mandarin, Chinese Mandarin or English. You can just select English, press select, and that's it. As you can see, I have 2 cables here. One is coming from the USB Type-A port and one from the USB Type-C, which is currently charging my phone with super fast charging. That's 18 watts of power. That's how much the phone supports. It's not that the device cannot do more. And I just want to show you guys when I switch. So basically I'm going to switch from the Type-C to the Type-A right now. There you go. We will just connect. This is 15 watt with a Type-A. Type-C was 18, so obviously just a bit more faster, but it's not that much faster. I don't have a laptop to charge it, but I'm sure it will work the same way. I just wanted to show you guys how the display looks like. I will show you which port is currently being used and which ones are empty, and it will display how much watts is going into the device. If you guys want to buy it, I will have a link in the video description down below. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.